Hello everyone. Today is the 20 July 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Valerao. Today's our topic is exception handling. Firstly, we discuss the what is mean by exception. The exception handling in Java is one of the most powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error. So normal flow of the application can be maintained through the exception handling, and uh, we can discuss the exception in Java. In Java, the exception is a event that describes the normal flow of the program. It is about which is through at runtime and compile time both the time. The runtime through the uncatch exception and compile time are achieve the uh, compile time achieve the catch exception. What is the exception handling? Exception handling is the mechanism to handle runtime error such as the class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, array index out of bound exception, null exception, arithmetic exception, etc. Advantage of the exception handling is the core core advantage of the exception handling is the to maintain the normal flow of the application, and the exception normally disturb the normal flow of the application. That why use the exception handling. Let us take one scenario. In the we in our program, uh, there are 10 statement are there in our program, and the statement number 6 is the exception occur. The code, because of this exception, the code is not execute will not execute the 6 to statement 6 to 7 to 10. Means if we perform the exception handling, the rest of the statement will be execute. That is why the exception handling in Java is the important. Because of the next code is a important code. The code is executed through the rest and catch method. The hierarchy of the Java exception class. The Java lag dot throwable class is the root of the Java exception hierarchy. Is the inherit by two subclass, the exception and error. The hierarchy is the Java exception class are given below. Is the throwable. Throwable are two types, or inherit the two two classes. First is the exception, second is a error. In exception, I exception is occur, actual exception is occur, class not found exception is occur. Runtime exception, arithmetic exception occur, null exception occur, null format exception is occur, index out of bound exception occur. In index out of bound exception, there are two types: array index out of bound exception and string index out of bound exception. And in the array class, the stack overflow exception occur, virtual machine exception occur, out of memory exception occur. Type of exception in Java is the mainly two types of exception: the check exception, checked and unchecked exception. The error is considered as the unchecked exception. According to the or According to the oracle, there are three types of exception: check exception, uncheck exception, and error exception. The difference between check and uncheck exception is the check exception class which directly inherit throughable the class. Runtime exception means the checked exception is occur at runtime are known as check exception. Example of the check exception is the IO exception, SQL exception. Check exception are checked at the compile time. Unchecked exception, the uncheck the class which inherit the runtime exception are known as the unchecked exception. Example of the unchecked exception is the arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array out of bound exception. That is, unchecked exception are not checked at compile time, but they are checked at runtime. Error is a error is a irrecoverable, that is out of bound memory exception and virtual machine exception. The Java exception keyword is the try keyword. Uh, Try keyword is the keyword used to specify block where should be place exception code, means their time of the exception is occurring. The try keyword using block must be followed either catch or finally. Um, the next block is occur execute. Another is the catch keyword. The catch block is used to handle the exception uh, must be produce block, which means we can't catch the block alone. Java exception handling are common scenario in Java exception. The first scenario is arithmetic exception occur. If we divide any number by 0, there at that time the occur at arithmetic exception are occur, means the int a variable and int a variable are stored the 15 by the 0, means the arithmetic exception is occur are there. Second scenario is a null point exception, means we have a null value of any variable are created or written in the program performing any operation on the variable through the null pointer exception, means the um, we create a string s equal to null, means the string s are contain the null, and system out print ln is out s dot length, means the null point exception is occur because the uh, null object are no length. Third scenario is the number format exception occur. The wrong format of the value may occur number format exception. Suppose I have a string variable that has character containing this variable in digit will occur number exception, means the string created as the object abc and int equal to integer percent int yes is occur, the number format exception is occur. Fourth scenario is the array index out of bound exception. If there are inserting the value of the wrong index will hold result in array out of bound exception, uh, means we create a array of the length 5 and we call the array of index 10, then array index out of bound exception are occur. Next is the string index out of bound exception. Means we create a uh, string s equal to abcd, and we call the string at char at index 5. Means the string length is 3, and we we call the index number 5. Means the array index string index exception is occur there. This is the scenario of the exception are occurring at that scenario. Thank you.